Alright, this is a follow-up video of my Insignia TV. It's a Roku Insignia TV. So I've had this TV for about 3 years now, and it's kind of gone kaput now. Everything does this flicker every few seconds. And so this will do this on the component input, the HDMI input, and when we're using the YouTube and Netflix apps and anything that within the Roku interface. Even the interface is doing all this when you're configuring the settings. So it's kind of sad in a sad world that we live in now, where nothing's made to last. Like 3 years. Like I've had TVs that I've had for almost 20 years, but these newer TVs, it is pretty sad that they'll break. If you've had a TV that's gone kaput on you within like a very short period of time and you're disappointed about it, let me know in the comments. I do gotta say though, I do like the Roku interface. I mean, we don't have cable, so it works with the antenna. We can watch YouTube, we can watch Netflix and Tubi and other streaming add-ons that we can put on this. But yeah, just disappointing. If you want to check out my video review on this from the last couple of years, go ahead. And yeah, so yeah, Insignia. They don't make. I don't see Insignia TVs being at Best Buy anymore. So maybe they've discontinued this brand because of this, because I can't really seem to get another one. Thanks for watching.